Hello again, crafters. Today we have two crafts that are focused on heaven. We're talking about heaven and the hope that we have in knowing that God has prepared a wonderful place for us as believers. So the first craft that we're going to do is a no more tears box. So we're going to remember how God promises that there won't be tears, no more sorrow, sickness, sadness, and the hope that that gives us. So we're going to start with a tissue box, and we're going to use that as the base and have a couple of things going on with this. So we will have a caption, and for the caption I'm going to cover a part of my tissue box. If you like, you can wrap up the whole thing, but you don't have to. I'm just going to kind of do one face of it for now, but the rest of the tissue box we'll decorate a little bit. So we'll start off with that caption as a reminder, and we'll say here something like, no more tears. God promises heaven with no sadness. Something like that. We get the general idea there. And I'm going to glue, we can glue or tape this to my tissue box. And then if you'd like, you can also fill the inside of the tissue box with other thoughts about heaven, other verses or other reminders of how beautiful and wonderful heaven is. Maybe other things that make us feel hopeful, or you could even put in here things that make you feel sad to remember that there's no more sadness in heaven. But we're going to add some decoration. So I'm going to put some stickers around this. Hopefully not covering up everything there. There we go. Put some stickers on this side. We can put some stickers surrounding it on the other side. And again, if you wanted to also add papers to cover it up, this happens to be a fancy tissue box, so I'm not going to necessarily add paper all the way around, but you certainly could. Now, the other element that we're going to add to this, if you want, you can leave it as that, as a little container for thoughts, prayers, hopes, but the other element that I'm going to add is I'm going to add a balloon. Now, just as the hope of heaven inspires us, a balloon is inspired or blown by air. So fill my balloon with some air, and I'm making it gold and shiny because a lot of times we think of heaven in terms of these streets of gold shiny things. So I'm going to add my balloon onto here, and I'm just going to tape it to the box. If your balloon is small enough, which mine is not, you could actually place the balloon in the box, because now the tears and sadness are replaced with the happy thought of the balloon. But a couple of options there, different ways you could take this. Ways we can spin it, but we're gonna just stick the balloon on here. And then we can remember that the hope of heaven, a wonderful, shiny place, can fill us with hope, and that we remember that God will wipe away every tear and we won't need tissues anymore. So that's a fun craft number one. And then the second craft is pretty simple. We're going to make a hopes collage. So here we're going to start off with, I'll put a little statement in the middle here. Something like, heaven is a wonderful place God has a home we can hope for. And then surrounding that, we're going to write or draw or have pictures of other things that give us hope. So maybe up here I'll give it one more title. Hope in the eternal, I'll say here. And surrounding this, we're going to write other things that might give us hope. So maybe things that give us hope are prayer. We know God is with us. We might hope in things like other things that would make us feel hopeful. Feel maybe sunny days give us hope. Maybe rainy days sometimes. I don't know. Some people really like rainy days. Maybe things like beauty, or maybe even music could be something that fills us with hope. Maybe a special place or a person. Nature, outdoors. I happen to feel hopeful when I look at mountains. So we're going to just fill this with things that would make us feel hopeful. We might say encouragement, other people loving and encouraging us. That can give us hope. And then I'm going to put some stickers on it. So these are some happy, hopeful stickers. These ones remind us that God loves us. But we can also add pictures. If you have pictures of things that give you hope, pictures of flowers, streams, mountains, birds, we could add those as well. And we're just going to cover the idea of a collage, of course, is we're filling it up with these things. So my paper right now is not going to be entirely full, but we get the idea. And so this is something that we could look at and go in there, that gold theme. I'm going to use a little piece of gold string here that I'm going to attach to the back so that if we wanted to, we could hang this up. We could also hang it on a fridge, maybe hang it over a doorway or in a bedroom, somewhere where, at a desk, hey, if there's a day that you're feeling gloomy or down, or you need a little bit of hope, or maybe someone else around you needs some hope and encouragement. The idea here is that this is a little hope collage and some ideas, some thoughts of things that can give you hope, and reminder that ultimately our hope, our joy is in the Lord, and that He has promised us heaven as a place we can look forward to someday being with Him. So, a couple of heaven crafts, as heaven is a place that we don't know exactly what it looks like. Sometimes it's hard to craft, but some thoughts and ideas for how we can consider heaven and the joy that God gives us in that. Hopefully, ideas that will get the ball rolling for you and be helpful to you in your ministry, wherever and with whomever that might be. Now, go make some crafts, make some disciples. Have a wonderful week. We'll see you next time.